English Gujarati future tense. I will do equals.
હું કરીશ.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly boost for language superpowers. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you and I dive into the Gujarati future tense of to do and to make. Your hero verb is to do.
કરવું.
We'll keep it lively, short, and a little silly, because laughing brains remember better. Your goal today. By the end, do can say each key form with confidence. Repeat aloud and own it. I will do.
હું કરીશ.
You, informal, will do.
તું કરશે.
You, polite, plural, will do.
તમે કરશો.
We will do.
અમે કરીશું.
They will do.
તેઓ કરશે.
It will make.
તે બનાવશે.
To do, base.
કરવું.
To do, base, alt translate.
કરવું.
Mini dialogue. Promises. Jump into this scene and echo the bold parts. You're the star, do. A. The sink is full again. Who's brave? B. I volunteer. I will do it, aka.
હું કરીશ.
A. Nice. And you, tomorrow, you will do the demo, right? Say.
તમે કરશો.
C. Grinning at a friend. Come on, man, be bold.
તું કરશે.
Team, in chorus. Don't worry, coach, we've got this.
અમે કરીશું.
Coach, and the backup crew? Assistant, they promised.
તેઓ કરશે.
A. Turn on the fan, it will make the room cooler.
તે બનાવશે.
B. Motto of the day, less talk, more do.
કરવું.
Pronunciation beats. Clap softly, keep a steady groove, and speak on the beat. You've got this. Beat 1 2 3 4. I will do.
હું કરીશ.
Beat 1 2 3 4. You, informal, will do.
તું કરશે.
Beat 1 2 3 4. You, polite, will do.
તમે કરશો.
Beat 1 2 3 4. We will do.
અમે કરીશું.
Beat 1 2 3 4. They will do.
તેઓ કરશે.
Beat 1 2 3 4. To do.
કરવું.
Beat 1 2 3 4. It will make.
તે બનાવશે.
Culture tip. Team spirit. Language lives in moments. Steal this phrase for your team huddles. Before a match or a big task, point forward and say together.
અમે કરીશું.
It's short, punchy, and it feels like flipping on the go switch. If you want to encourage someone politely, tell them with a smile.
તમે કરશો.
You will do it. Lightning quiz. Answer out loud before the ding. Du schaffest das. Q1. Say, they will do. A.
તેઓ કરશે.
Q2. Say, we will do. A.
અમે કરીશું.
Q3. Give the base verb, to do. A.
કરવું.
Also.
કરવું.
Closing parenthesis. Q4. Say, you will do, to a friend, informal. A.
તું કરશે.
Q5. Translate, it will make. A.
તે બનાવશે.
Q6. Say, I will do. A.
હું કરીશ.
Your 20-second challenge. Time to flex your new words in tiny, real sentences. Make 3 mini-lines using
હું કરીશ. તું કરશે.
and.
તેઓ કરશે.
Keep it simple and true to your day. Now add 2 more with
અમે કરીશું.
and.
તમે કરશો.
Bonus. 1 line with
તે બનાવશે.
Great job and goodbye. Fantastic work, do nailed it. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your future tense, sprinkle
કરવું.
everywhere and promise boldly with
હું કરીશ.
and.
અમે કરીશું.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more bite-sized lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.